How to multi-stream TikTok and Kick. Multi-streaming on TikTok and Kick broadens your reach and exposure, tapping into diverse audiences across different platforms. Now, if we are going to go ahead and multi-stream to these two different platforms, here's how we are going to do it. First things first, I want you to go ahead and open your browser. Now, from this point forward, you're going to go ahead and log into Kick. Alright, I'm going to click login. Alright, once you're logged into Kick, you're going to go ahead and click your profile here, and we're going to go ahead and click Creator Dashboard. Now from this point forward, you have here Stream, but we're going to go ahead and look for our Stream key. So I'm going to click the settings, click Stream key in here. There you go. Now I'm just going to go ahead and copy this one. We're going back to Streamlabs, and here in our Streamlabs, we're going to click Settings, and we're going to go ahead and click Stream. Now you don't have the option here to basically connect Kick, so what we are going to do is manually connect it. So I'm going to click Add Destination, and here in the destination I'm going to name this one Kick, put the URL in here, and we're going to copy the stream key as well, which is what we have here. Now go back here and put it in here. Now I'm going to click the save button in here, and you can see that this is our Kick streaming destination right now. So yep, that's one. Now we're going to go ahead and click done. Now from this point forward, you can just go ahead and click go live, and then we're going to go ahead and enable Kick. So this one right here. Now make sure that this is enabled. Once you're done with that, you can just go ahead and click confirm and go live. One down, now you are live streaming with Kick. This time we're also going to do the same thing with our TikTok. Now in order for us to get this done, we're going to go ahead and open TikTok Live Studio. You're going to have to download this one from the official TikTok website, and yeah, basically it looks like this. Now you can of course adjust this one. For example, this one right here, you can definitely adjust this one for later on. Now instead of portrait mode, we're going to click this one and we're going to choose landscape mode. Okay, there you go. And this is our camera. You're just going to go ahead and click this one here and basically connect your camera in here. I don't have a camera on this PC though, so that's a problem. Say for example, we're going to choose OBS. Okay, click apply. Yep, that's your camera, say for example. Now you can go ahead and adjust this one here. So this is an image. Now if you want to add a source, you can click this one here and choose display capture. Click add, and then you're going to choose display, and then also click this one here in order to capture a cursor. Click add source, and we're going to put this at the top. Alright, just like that. Now what you're going to do from this point forward is just basically click go live in here. And yep, congratulations everybody, that is how you are going to multi-stream to TikTok and Kick. Anyway, if you're interested in kicking off your streaming career with Streamlabs, click the link in the description box in order to save yourself up to $20 of discount. And as always, please check our channel for detailed Streamlabs tutorial. We have various levels of tutorials, from the most basic ones such as how to set it up, all the way to things like using Streamlabs to stream to TikTok, fixing black screen, and so many others. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if it helps you out.